So this was the area that I found to take pictures of the catacomb mittens. I can't read who it is that died, but it looks like it was October 19th, 1851. 55 years? So thank you. I think you were an introvert, weren't you? Thank you for your services. I didn't end up using these very much. Stevie's been hanging out with me. She's been pretty good. Hasn't dug up any dead people yet. Alright. So yeah, this is our cemetery right outside of town. And this is now my favorite spot in it. Thank you. Alright, baby, go ahead.
He's like, maybe I can help this cat because it's freezing.
Yeah, Kitty's cold.
And then this one, he's knitting cat mittens for the cat to keep it warm, and then the cat's hiding in the basket because it's cold.
Good job, baby. What happens here?
Oh, oops. It's sideways. He's snuggling the cat, and the cat has like mittens and socks. And they're sitting by a fire to keep warm, and they're snuggling, and I think he's going to adopt the kitty.
You think so? Is that his friend?
Yeah, I hope he adopts the kitty.
Me too. But the bot didn't need mittens, right? Why not?
Because it's made of metal.
He's made of metal. He doesn't need mittens, but he could still help somebody that needs mittens. Are you gonna color it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love what you did with the screen. Your coloring is so neat, baby.
I need the kitty, an orange kitty. That's why I needed orange. And I made every color of leaf except brown.
That's okay. You did great.
Red, orange, yellow, green.
This one, you could do brown.
Oh, okay.
What's up?
Here he's knitting socks. Wait, socks and mittens.
Yeah, they're for paws.
He's knitting the last one because there are two over here and one over here. And then the cat's hiding in the basket over here because it's still cold.
It's still cold.
Yeah, and it's snuggling up with yarn and not playing with it because usually cats play with yarn.
That's true.
And I want the mittens and socks to be pink because pink is one of my favorite colors and blue is my second.
Yeah, they look really nice, baby.
Then his screen's purple and yarn wasn't on the screen, so I just drew one.
Yeah, you added some yarn that he's thinking about.
Yeah.
I love how you made it look actually like fire.
This one is where he's cuddling the... Hey! Dad! He's cuddling by the fire with the cat. I hope he adopts it. And it's wearing socks. and Mittens, and the screen shows that he loves the kitty.
They're very happy.
Yeah, and I think it's purring.
I think so too. Oh, that did sound like purring.
Hi, can I have